Hi, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney. Today, we have something really cool to unbox and review. This is the HOTO 3.6 volts screwdriver kit. If you're into DIYs, tech, or just love having handy tools around, then this might be for you. As for the packaging, the screwdriver kit comes in a sleek, minimalistic box. The front has a nice image of the screwdriver kit itself, and that's it. Inside the box, we have the screwdriver itself, 24 high-quality bits, and 2 attachments. The bits are nicely organized in a compact case, making it super easy to carry around and keep everything in place. As for my first impressions, this screwdriver feels premium. It has a solid build and a good grip. It's lightweight, making it easy to handle, and the ergonomic design is a big plus. As for the features, the screwdriver comes with a 3.6 volt motor, which is perfect for light to medium tasks around the house. It has a torque range of 0.2 to 4, giving you enough power for most DIY projects. Another great feature is the LED ring light. It turns on when you press the trigger, illuminating your workspace and making it easier to see what you're doing, especially in low light conditions. Charging is super convenient with the USB-C port. A full charge takes about 150 minutes and gives you around 800 screws worth of battery life. Talking about battery, it packs a 1500 milliamp hour battery, and that's pretty impressive. This screwdriver is really smooth and easy to control. The bits fit perfectly and swapping them out is a breeze. The torque adjustment works well, preventing me from over-tightening the screws. So there you have it. The HOTO 3.6 screwdriver is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to tackle DIY projects around the house. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stay tuned for more videos.